This is a carbon deposit. It's gasoline, oil, baked into the solid substance that can stick to valves, pistons, and even the catalytic converter.
Now, while the driver can't see carbon deposits like this, they can experience reduced fuel economy, loss of power, drivability issues, engine overheating, hard starts, check engine lights, and premature engine wear that leads to oil consumption.
Gets even worse because the vehicle owner could use low quality fuel, they could drive short distances, they could live in colder climates, they could defer maintenance, or they could have a component failure that can significantly increase the amount of contamination and deposits created inside the engine and catalytic converter.
Rislone's CAT Complete fuel exhaust and emission system cleaner has high-performing detergents and heavy-duty cleaning solvents that effectively scrub and remove contaminants, soot, carbon buildup, and oily residue from inside fuel injectors, combustion chambers, the turbo, EGR, catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, and the exhaust system.
Rislone's CAT Complete should be used in two ways. Rislone advises that it can be used for vehicles that are having drivability issues like fuel economy and codes like P0420 and P0430. But to prevent these deposits from returning, the customer should use CAT Complete every 3 months.
The 3-month prescription of Rislone's CAT Complete can keep the engine running at peak efficiency and avoid expensive repairs to replace the catalytic converter, fuel injectors, and oxygen sensors.